And we can shape it into a little horseshoe. So if you can find fits, I'll make 3 more, okay? It's easy to flatten when it's hot. Well, I don't know, I wear gloves. It's not hot where I'm holding it. That's why I don't wear gloves. And I should be able to feel the metal, so I know what I'm doing over there. Now we're going to cut it off. Put it into the vise and it should break pretty easily.
Spread it out over here till it was white hot.
You guys use files sometimes? Don't go back and forth. Always go in one direction. Very important. Okay, now, we're going to put a cleat on it, or 2 cleats. You know what cleats are on a horse? These bumps that stick out. What do you think they're for?
Traction.
Traction, that's right.